I'll show you how to create gradient borders in the Photoshop. Let me open this Photoshop. Create a new file. Click on this Ctrl N to create a new file. Select this custom. Provide width. Provide height. Set the resolution. Color mode RGB. Click on this OK. Now, after creating the new file, first thing we need to do, double click on this layer, layer get unlocked. Click on this OK. After that, now I need to create gradient borders. For the gradient border, I will take this duplicate layer, right click, click on this duplicate layer, click on this one. So I take duplicate layer. So in the duplicate layer, I use this rectangle tool. You can draw this rectangle here. Now I'll just draw the rectangle. So after drawing this rectangle, now select the shape 1, go to this FX, select this gradient overlay. Now click on the gradient overlay. So if you click on this gradient overlay, we have the gradient editor is there. Now you can select anything you want and click on this OK. Now I created this gradient overlay and click on this one. Now again I make a copy. So you use a move tool, hold the Alt button and I make a copy here. So for this one, I'll remove this gradient and deleted this FX. So click on this FX, drag this to delete here. Now double click on this layer, color picker will appear and change the color. Click on this one. Now we can adjust this one using this control transform. Hold the shift and alt button. Select any line. We can adjust this one. Now I'll just select this corners. I'll adjust this one and click on this. Now look at this. We created the gradient background. Now I'll just hide this layer 0. I just add this layer 0 and layer 0 copy also. Now I'll group this one. I'll group this shape 1 and shape 1 copy. Select these two layers and use Ctrl G to create a group here. Now for this one, I'll merge this two shapes. For merging of the layers, we have a shortcut is Ctrl E. So I'll just select the shape 1 and shape 1 copy. Click on this Ctrl E. So it makes, you can merge this one. See, after merging this one, I use this magic selection tool, magic wand tool. Select the shape 1 copy and use the backspace to remove this background. And click on this Ctrl D to deselect. Use this move tool. Now look at this one. We created this border. We created the gradient border. Now we can enable this layer 0. Now look at this one. We created this gradient border. Not only this one, we can also create the circular borders. We can also create the circular borders. That's how to create the circular borders. Now go to this ellipse tool, hold the shift button, draw the circle. Now I'll make a of this one. Hold the shift button. Hold the alt button. Drag one more circle. For this circle, I'll make it my own gradient. Go to the shape one. Click on this gradient overlay. We have a one gradient coming up here. Select this gradient. Now I'm selecting this basic gradient here. For this basic gradient, I'll click on this color spot one. I click on the color spot one. I'll change the color. Click on this OK. Now click on this color spot 2. Now click on this OK here. And for this green light green color, I'll make it a green. Click on this. Okay. Now look at this one. Apply to the two gradient. Apply to the two gradients here. Now for this shape one, I'll make it blue. Click on this Ctrl G. And for this shape one copy, I'll make a one more blue. Use Ctrl G in the keyboard, makes a group here. Now for this shape one, I will use Alt button, make one more copy. Now this time I'll remove this gradient. Now we can adjust the circle here. Use Control Transform, hold the Shift and Alt button. Select corner, reduce the size, click on this edge. Now similarly, I'll make one more copy. Now for this shape, I'll drag and I'll drop it to the group 3. Now we can adjust this one. Now it's look good. Now I need to do, so go to this group 2 here, click on this one, make it in white color. Similarly, I'll do with the same white color. Now look at this one. We created the gradient background here. See, if you want to apply more yellow color, click on this shape, click on the gradient, click on this color spot, click on this color spot and click on this OK. Click on this OK here, click on this OK and click on this OK. Now look at this one. Now we can do circular gradient borders. Like this we can create circular borders. Now we can merge this one and we can use this magic wand tool, we can cut this one. Now I'll just use the shape one, I'll make a copy. So use this Alt button. I'll make one more copy. So use this Control Transform, hold Shift and Alt button. Release the size, click on this enter. Now I'll move this towards the shape one here. Now look at this. I'll make a copy. Use the Alt button. Now look at this. Make a shape here. Similarly, we'll do it the same for this one. Use Alt button. Drag this one. Move this towards the top position. Use this Control Transform. Hold the Shift and Alt button. Reduce the size. Click on this end. Now I can paste it. Similarly, make a copy. Like this. Now you can create different shapes. So using this gradient. And next, I'll just hide this one, hide this group 3 like this, so you can create a borders. I'll just hide this one, or else I'll just hide this one. Now go to this group. I'll hide this here, and I'll just hide. Now using this shape, we can create. Look, you can create shapes like this, and we can also adjust like this. You can create like this, and you can also create like this shapes. And for this group 2 also, so go to this group 2. I'll just remove this here, and select this shape 1. I can adjust this one. So like what I do, like this, like this. We can create different shapes using the